We're going to review and show how we install these black containers we found on Amazon. We will start by installing the first rubber ring. Then we will place the 1/4-inch elbow right inside the ring. This 1/4-inch elbow is used to hold the pipe that would make for our mix level viewer. We are going to set this pipe on the open entrance of the 1/4-inch elbow. We have a bluish colored pipe in this case, but keep in mind that it could come in other colors too. Now, we will install the small floater inside the blue pipe. That floater would be marking the level of nutrients inside the container. Next, we're gonna place the second rubber ring close to the top of the container, to seal the entrance of the air hose. Once that is in place, we will place the hose inside the center of the ring, but first we will spray some water on the end of the black air hose, because it is hard to push it through the rubber ring. After spraying some water, then we would push and pull until we reached around the center of the container. We're going to proceed to install this 1-inch sphere that will go in the other end of the air hose. The sphere has enough weight to remain underwater, close to the bottom of the container. Let's cut 3 or 4 inches at the end of the hose to connect the air valve, then connect to the air pump. The air valve has to be installed properly. Before installing the valve, blow air on one side of the air valve to find the air flowing direction, then ensure the air flows towards the container. This will prevent the backing up of water towards the pump. Now we'll continue by adding our green hydro nutrients until the level of nutrients are shown by the floater inside the level viewer pipe at about 2 inches from the top, preventing nutrients overflowing. We are ready to place the baskets, then we will ensure that the level nutrients are covering the bottom of the baskets for about 1/2 inch. We make sure the roots can pass through the bottom part of the baskets. Then we'll wrap the plants at the roots, but we wrap right between the roots and the stem with a piece of rock wool. The little cube of rock wool could be primed with nutrients as well for easy put on inside the basket. Then I would place this basket with the plant on the lid of the container right in the cutout circles made for the purpose. Then we will repeat this operation until all the plants are in place. Notice that we are using plants that we didn't germinate ourselves, we bought those already at 12 inches tall at the grocery store. Still, we were able to plug those into our green hydro nutrients for them to grow a lot more. For an easy $5 basil plant, we have found a way to successfully multiply many plants of basil ready for us for a few months of enjoyment in our recipes.